Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim and shorten video clips on ShareFactory using your PlayStation 5. And this is easy to do. You can use two different techniques. You can use split clip or you can just trim it. So let's go to this video clip right here and then press square on it. And this will allow you to edit it. So you can trim it right here. Then you can use the left thumbstick to go out and in. And you can choose where you want it on the timeline specifically. Or you can make it longer. So I'm going to go to here. I made it longer. Now we can also go to edit, press square, go to split clip, and we can split at the front, and then delete the top, and then split at the back. So let's go right here, and then delete the back. So it's very easy to trim the clip on here and get it exactly how you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming Studios.